Hi, welcome back to Grandma and Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel, and I'm here with my grandson Darius.
What's up, YouTube?
Oh, guys, we got a special guest here tonight. You know, he has a YouTube channel called Darius Welch. He teaches you all about financing, and he's a realtor. Yes, you got to check him out. Yeah, he tell you not only how to get a credit card, how to save money, how to budget. He also will sell your house for you, or if you're looking to buy a house, he can help you also in Massachusetts. It's a great honor having you here tonight, Darius.
Glad to be here.
Yes, he's hanging out with me for Mother's Day. Okay, so we have a treat for you. Darius, tell them what we have here.
So we have the brand new, just released Bourbon Bacon Burger. Yes, from Wendy's.
Okay, so Darius is a Wendy's fan, and he's trying to turn me on to Wendy's. So let's see how I like it, okay? So we wanted to introduce this to you because we know some people like fast food, and Wendy's is a good choice. What do you think so?
I think they're the best out of Burger King and McDonald's and Wendy's, if you were to compare those three.
Why do you think that Wendy's is better than those three?
Just the quality of the food. I think the quality of the foods is better.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so we're going to check it out, okay? Let's see how it works. So I do know this. The Bourbon Bacon Cheeseburger comes in a single burger or a double burger or a triple burger. We have a single burger and a double burger for comparison. So let's see how they did. I know one thing. I got the single burger, the double burger, and a French fry, and that cost $17.09. I think the price is outrageous. What do you think?
I think it's a lot too for just two burgers.
He thinks it's a lot too, he said. Now, I don't know how often I would go and visit Wendy's for two burgers and a French fry for $17.
It's not like Five Guys or anything like that. I wouldn't compare it to Five Guys.
What, you think Five Guys is better?
Five Guys is more of a premium burger.
Really?
Yeah, it's less fast food. It's like a real burger.
Okay. Well, guys, I guess we're going to have to check it out because he doesn't want to cook tonight. Now, he do cook, but he doesn't want to cook tonight. And I'm not the person that really will go over there and give them $17 for two burgers on a regular basis. But, you know, for the sake of introducing it to you guys and for me to check it out, I had to do it. Because I had to do it for my audience, right?
And let us know what you guys think about these food reviews. We're trying to bring this back into the channel and see if this is something that will entertain you guys. And if you guys like more stuff like this, we will keep on doing more food reviews.
Okay, that's a good idea. Let us know in the comment, would you?
Let us know by smashing that like button.
Yes, you can go ahead and smash that like button right now. Give it a thumbs up. That's my latest thing. Give it a thumbs up. So when you see me doing this, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, would you? Okay. So here's our Wendy packaging, the bag. Okay. You think the bag costs like $2?
With inflation these days, they probably didn't charge you for the bag.
Okay, see which burger that is. I'm gonna have the single burger, and he's gonna have the double burger.
This is the double.
He has the double, okay. And then we have some extra bourbon sauce.
You might want to show them that packaging. It's not our usual packaging.
Okay, they put it in two containers like this.
Real close. Yeah.
See? So you just ask for that if you need that. I mean, come on. At least they could do for $17, right? Okay. And we have some French fries. Some Wendy's French fries. There we go. Got that focus in there. Okay. Would you like some fries, Darius?
No, thank you. I'm good.
Oh, okay. He doesn't want any fries. Well, you don't want to taste some for the review?
No.
Sure.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay. So let me unpackage my burger and let you get a look at this. Okay, so we're going to start with the inside. We have some onion rings, fried onion rings there,
Yeah.
and the bourbon sauce. You see that? Okay, that's the outside of the bun. And then they have the bacon and cheese and burger.
There you go.
Okay. What do you have in yours, Darius?
Same thing. It's the same burger. It just got 2 patties. That's all.
Well, they might want to see that.
They want to see the patty. You can show them.
Open it up and show them 2
Yeah, you
patties.
show them. You're much closer to the camera than I am. I can't reach.
Okay, he has 2 burgers. Okay. See that?
There you go.
Okay. So, are you going to taste your burger?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, eat at the same time, right?
Yeah.
All right. All right. Wow. Okay.
The bourbon has like a sweet taste to it. What do you think?
The burger's really thick. The patties are very thick.
You have something on the side of your lip.
Oh. Yeah, the patty is very, very thick, guys.
You like that?
I like it. It's a meaty bite.
You think you could eat the 3 burger?
No way. This feels big. I'm gonna add some bourbon sauce to it on top of the burger. What's your thoughts on it, Grandma? Grandma Ray.
Well, so far I like it. I'm curious to see how they made the bourbon sauce. Let me just taste. What does the bourbon sauce taste like to you?
Tastes sweet.
Mm-hmm.
I thought it would taste like barbecue sauce, but it doesn't.
Tastes like it has honey in it.
Yeah. I would say that.
So I'm gonna put a little more on my sandwich, on my burger, to see if it enhanced the taste. It's a thick sauce. That definitely stepped the taste up a notch for me. So ask for some extra bourbon sauce. That really improved the taste and experience.
Now, have you tried the regular burgers from Wendy's?
Yeah.
The Dave burger?
Yeah.
How would you compare this to that? Is this something that you would buy again from Wendy's?
I think the burger is really the same burger. I think the only difference is they've added the bourbon sauce and the bacon. Yes, I would try this again. I really would.
You would pay $17 something, or for your part? I guess for your part of the sandwich, it would be like $6 or $7. You would spend that type of money again on this burger?
I would buy the $6 burger and nothing else. I'd come home and get my own drink because I like the experience, but I don't think I like the $17 for two. That was a bit much with the French fries.
And no drink.
And no drink.
Just a small French fries and 2 burgers.
So you imagine if we get a couple of drinks, that would have been at least another $4 or so. Maybe $5 with tax. So we would be up at $22. That's insane. $22 for 2 burgers, a small French fry, and 2 drinks. That's a lot. That's a lot. When we were on our way home, we passed by McDonald's, which was right down the street. McDonald's had a line of cars that was waiting to get in the driveway that was actually halfway into the street. And this was late at night, like at, 9 o'clock? So you can see that fast food definitely have their doors open for anybody that is willing to come in. So that's why they can get away with these high prices.
Final thoughts on the burger? Any ratings you want to give it?
I would give the rating
Out of 10.
out of 10. I think I would give it I'd give it an 8.
We'll give it an 8.
Yes.
Out of 10?
Out of 10, I would give it 8 being good.
That's really good.
Yes. I would give it an 8. I like the burger.
You like it that much?
Yeah, I do. I think the sauce really, really improved the burger dramatically.
Are you lying?
No, I'm serious.
Oh.
You didn't like it that good?
Not that much. I wouldn't buy this burger again.
You wouldn't? Why? You the one led me there.
Yeah, you know, it's a new sandwich. I wanted to try it. Now since we got to try it, I wanna take this over a classic cheeseburger from Wendy's. You know, I'll still go with the Dave burger from Wendy's. You know, the sauce is okay. It's nothing special. If I had to give it a rating, this is a real rating. Out of 10,
Oh.
I'll give it a 5.
So he said his is a real rating, as if mine wasn't a real rating.
I think Grandma's is a little bit artificial.
No, Grandma's is the one that is real, okay?
I'll give it a 5.5. And you guys can let us know your thoughts in the comment section below.
Well, what do you think about these French fries?
It's awful.
Why?
They're soggy, cold, not the best. Wendy's are not known for having the best French fries. I think McDonald's definitely has the best French fries in the game, but you have to eat them fresh as always. You know, with any French fry, you gotta eat it fresh for it to come out good, or for it to taste good. All right.
Well, you be the judge. Go on over and get your bourbon bacon burger from Wendy's and see how you like it. Let us know. Would you comment on that?
Grandma Ray gave it an 8. You guys think she's lying? I think she's lying.
No.
An 8 out of 10.
No.
Like, that's really good food for it to be an 8. 9 is like unbelievable.
I think it's good. You know, maybe they got me with the sauce, but I think it's good.
It's not that great.
Oh, okay. All right, guys. You got anything else to say?
No, got nothing else to say.
Any other recommendations to any other fast food place that you might like to entertain the thought of eating on next?
I would pitch that offer to our audience. Definitely let us know in the comment section below of what food would you like us to try out next. You know, we're willing to try out a lot of things, so definitely let us know in the comment section below. We'll definitely be in there answering and reading those comments.
Okay, so until next time, be safe. Thank you very much. Give it a thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe. Comment, and let me know how you like it, okay? All right, we're going to talk to you soon, okay? Bye.